And then Porirua City, are you ready? Put your hands together in introducing your MCs for PASIFIKA United 2022. Put your hands together for Sela Vauliko and Nathan Lopa. Oh, you better keep going, you better keep going. Good morning, Porirua, how are we doing? I said good morning, Porirua, how are we doing? All right, everyone should have had their breakfast this morning, so everyone should be energized, ready for an 8-hour program. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Maloni, kavea tene mano Haka talo atu tu pai mate malo tatou. Vito no tene o Porirua. Ko tau la Haka tahi tatou I lalo te iho tene malu. O ai o tatou tinihu te lumanaki o tatou nuku. Malo tulau lava malo talo falava. Hello Porirua, it's awesome to be here this morning. My name is Nathan Lopa, one half of your MCs, so I'll introduce myself and then I'll pass it over to the Kazi over here. My name's Nathan Lopa, born and bred here in Porirua City. Okay. Anyone else born and bred here in Porirua City? Yeah, okay. Anyone from the Hat? Anyone here from Wellington City? Alright, this isn't too tongue, so you can go back to town as well. I come from the villages of Sababali and Savai. Oh yeah, and from the beautiful village of Mota and Upolu. My father hails from the beautiful pearl of the Pacific, Tokelau. From the islands of Haka and Adahu. Sister, who are you?
Oh, Kakai Kiele. Tawa, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everything in between. My name is Tawa and I am your contestant number 5 for the Mr. Sorry, wrong event. I come from the villages of Tawa and Savai, anyone from Tawa? Afema and Siumu. I have the privilege and honor to be alongside our very handsome Nathan Lopa. And give a clap for our beautiful man. Now before we start, we just like to acknowledge our distinct special guests that are here this morning. Our Honorable Barbara Edmonds, MP for Mana. Pati mai mo Barbara Edmonds.
This guy MP for Mana.
Her Excellency, our Mayor of Porirua, Anita Baker. Give a big clap for Anita Baker. Our Porirua City Councillor, Tim Duncan. Another Porirua City Councillor, Izzy Forward. And our last Porirua City Councillor, Kylie We Happy. Pati mai mo.
And a massive shout out to all our students, our staff, our tutors, those who have been working hard the last couple of weeks to make sure that today, PASIFIKA United Festival is a successful one. I want to do a bit of a roll call, ladies and gentlemen, so if you're here your school, then make sure you represent yourselves well. Do we have Newlands College? No, they're getting the credits. Do we have Newlands College? Boy, they're fired. Tawa College! Bishop Vineyard College! Morning mess. Sekuini FME, Porirua! And they just came to the bullfini and went straight back. Alright, do we have Porirua College, a high school?
Just for your information, I'm also an ex-student of Porirua College. So, woo-hoo! No biases, but go Porirua College.
Well, they don't get me. Altair College! come back and we'll try again. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get on the road with our very first act for this morning. Are you guys ready? I came on the side of the stage. This group is very, very nervous, so I'm giving it up to you to make these guys feel welcome. Are you ready, Porirua? Our very first act is a Kapa Haka performance. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Tawa.
So we started practicing early term 1 and we've been revising a bunch of things from last year, which is really helpful because we've had a lot of new people come in, and so we've got a foundation of people who are ready to teach and learn, and it's been really good.
It's coming together pretty well. We've started learning a couple new items, but the ones that we have been doing throughout the year so far have been pretty solid. I've just got to finalise our newer items and clean up some of the things that we're doing in our older ones.
My words for our group before we perform is snaps to use before you finish.
Ko whira tū whira.
Mahorora.
Me pehea te kotu, e puta ai, ki te mau